Suppose you are designing for something for farmers who are poor farmers living in remote rural areas. आप सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या हो सकता है एम्पैथाइज करने का, उनको समझने का? आप एक बहुत रिमोट रूरल प्लेस पे जो फार्मर्स है उनके लिए कुछ बनाना चाहते हो, कोई प्रोडक्ट, तो उनको समझने का बेस्ट वे टू एम्पैथाइज विद देम. हम सिटी में बैठ के वी कैन नॉट जस्ट से कि हाँ हम आपकी बात समझ सकते हैं. दैट इज लाइक अ false thing, because you cannot understand the problem faced by them unless you put yourself in their shoes, staying with them for few years, spending time with them, doing conversation, doing the things they do daily, then you will understand what pain points they have. So that is the first thing. And वो हमारे startup world में कैसे काम आ रही है चीज? To understand the customer's pain, right? So anybody who is facing the problem, अगर आप उसको सबसे अच्छे से समझना चाहते हो, the best way is to be in that situation. तब भी आपको समझ में आएगा. Like if I am saying कि students को commuting की problem होती है in rainy season, तो मैं यहाँ बैठ के लैपटॉप पे उसका solution अच्छे से नहीं निकाल सकती जब तक I'll go there and I'll spend some 4 to 5 days with the students. I'll commute with them during the rainy season. Then only I'll be able to understand what sort of problems they are facing. So design thinking का पहला step होता है empathize. You should understand your customers. जब आप अच्छे से समझ गए हैं, then you can actually define the problem. तो हम ये समझने वाला काम, when we have taken the interviews, we have talked to them, when we have sketched the persona, when we have analyzed the problem, we have empathized with them, and हमने जो problem definition दी है, that is the define phase, second phase. Once we have that understanding, then we talk about ideation, solution. कि जब हमें problem अच्छे से समझ में आ गई, तब हम उसका solution निकाल सकते हैं. So third phase is ideation. And जब हमने solution दे दिया that this can be the solution, तब कस्टमर समझ में आ गया, उसकी प्रॉब्लम डिफाइन कर दी, उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए we have provided the solutions. Then we will create the prototype, and once the prototype is ready, क्या होगा next? What should be the next process? Prototype ready हो गया, so the last phase is test. Once the prototype is ready, we will test it with the customer.